screenings namin, may mga pumupuntang state forces, may mga intelligence, meron ba tayo dyan, intelligence agents. Pero ano talaga, pumupunta sila doon at pinaparamdam nila na nandun sila. Nag-iikot kami sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas at nakikita namin sila at nandun sila. Tingin namin harassment yun. Pangatlo, yung MTRCB na binigyan kami ng X rating. Marami akong kwento dyan. Meron silang sinabi kung reason why they gave us an X rating. Isa-isahin natin to. Anyway, yung parang yung generic term na ginamit nila, the film tends to undermine the faith and confidence of the people to the government. Which means, sabi nila, kasalanan ng pelikula namin kung ba't walang tiwala ang mamamayang Pilipinas sa gobyerno. Kayo ba, tingin nyo, deserve ng pelikula to ang X rating? Documentary ito, hindi ito fiction. So nung binigyan na kami ng X rating, ang ginagawa dyan, pinapatawag yung production, kami yung filmmaker or yung producer, para i-explain nila yung X rating nila. So unfortunately, meron akong lakad doon nang pumunta rin yung producer, nandiyan dyan siya. Siya yung kumausap sa nag-review ng ng pelikula. Unang sinabi nila, what if balikan ang MTRCB ni General Anyo? Ayun na sinabi nila una. Pangalawa, sinabi nila, masyado yung subversive. So tinanong namin, ano ba yung subversive dyan? Sabi nila, marami. Pangatlo, naalala niyo yung animation na torture scene? Sabi ng MTRCB, it's too graphic. Pang-apat, sabi nila, naalala niyo yung nagsalita, 99.9% na kapag hindi ma-survey siya within 1 month, cadaver yan. Sabi ng MTRCB, dapat meron kayong disclaimer na perspective lamang yan ng isang sundalo and not the whole institution. Tandaan natin, ang MTRCB, ang trabaho nila ay mag-review at hindi sila abogado ng militar. Panglima, sabi nila, dapat you have given General Anyo a chance to speak up and to be Pang-anim, sabi nila, parang leftist. Pelikula na, parang leftist. So tinanong namin, ano po ibig sabihin ninyong parang leftist? Kasi sabi ninyo sa huli, ipaglaban. So tinanong ni Mona, ano pong masama sa ipaglaban? Sabi nila, wala namang masama ron. Pero sa aming mandato, bawal yan. So, sabi nila, kung gawin ninyo itong mga to, lagyan ng, alisin yung animation, maglagay kayo ng disclaimer, yung mga ganyang bagay, we might reconsider removing the X rating. You know what we did? Not a single second was changed because we believe we are right and they are wrong. You know what we did? We went to the streets and protested. You know what we did? We talked to our friends, filmmaker friends, film industry friends, to support us. After, we have to pay, we appealed another time, second appeal, we have to pay another 20,000. Yung unang binayad namin ng 20,000, wala na yan. Pag binigyan ka ng X rating. So we appealed for a second appeal. Nagrally kami sa labas and fortunately, dahil maingay kami at naninindigan kami at kasama pa namin yung mas maraming taong nakikiisa sa aming panawagan, inalis yung X rating. Kaya pwede namin ipalabas dito.
So,